Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have exciting update for you. How to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. So be sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over TikTok's live requirements. Typically, you need at least 1000 followers and must be at least 18 years old to go live. However, TikTok allows some users to request access to the live feature even if they don't meet the follower requirement. Let me show you how. Alright, here's how you can request TikTok to enable the live feature for your account. Open the TikTok app and log into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap the menu icon in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem. Under the Support section, tap Live. It should have a video camera icon. Select I can't start a live from the list. TikTok will ask if your problem is resolved. Tap No. Next, tap Need more help to access the request form. In the text field, politely request access to the live feature. Example: Hello, I can't access TikTok Live. Could you please enable it for my account? Thank you. Finally, tap Submit and wait for TikTok to review your request. Once you submit your request, TikTok typically responds within 24 to 72 hours. If your request is approved, the live feature will be added to your account. If it's denied, you will need to grow your followers to at least 1000 before you can go live. Here are a few extra tips to improve your chances of getting TikTok live access. Be polite and clear in your request. Make sure your account follows all TikTok community guidelines. Engage with your followers regularly to grow your account. And that's it. You now know how to request TikTok live even if you don't have 1000 followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.